welcome to the first ever Mrs. Femina online hunt presented by Bosch Home Appliances. I'm back at the Unsa house and I can't wait to cook with their state-of-art appliances. Today, on the art of perfect cooking with me, Neha Shah, let's fly to the vibrant city of Mexico because that's where this dish originates from. Today we are making Veggie Paneer Enchiladas, so let's start by making the sauce. Let's start by roasting the red bell peppers. You have to brush it with a little bit of oil. We will be roasting this at 220 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Beginners with oven often face trouble with choosing the right temperature and settings. It can be a bit overwhelming, but the BoschAssist feature on this oven is a lifesaver. It automatically sets the desired time and mode as per the dish, enabling you to cook multiple dishes to perfection. Not just that, this oven also doubles as a steamer for me. So, from momos to baos, I can cook so much with just one appliance. So the bell pepper has been roasted and charred. Let's remove the skin, and I'm going to remove these seeds out because you don't want it. So I'm going to start by blending all the ingredients. So here, in goes the roasted bell pepper. Next, I'm going to add some blanched tomatoes. Next, I'm going to be adding some Kashmiri red chilies, some onion, and now I'm going to be finally blending all this up. While that blends, let's heat the pan and get it ready. You know, my nani always hated it when I ground my spices in a mixer. She'd say, "Isme wo sil batte wala taste nahi aata." But this Bosch mixer grinder's patented stone pounding technology coarsely crushes the spices, maintaining that authentic flavor. And you know what? Even my nani couldn't catch the difference. With that, our pan is ready and let's add some oil and some butter. Let's add in some all-purpose flour. Just give this a quick mix. Also, it sounds like that our paste is ready. Let's add in the blended onion, tomato and roasted bell pepper paste. Let's add in all the spices. So this is Kashmiri red chili powder. This is roasted cumin powder. Some crushed black pepper. Some oregano. A little bit of cinnamon powder. And last, a little bit of garlic powder. I am using some apple cider vinegar here. You can use any vinegar of your choice. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Let's give this sauce a good mix. Season it with some salt. Add in some water and then let this simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. Want to see something exciting? Now that's a smart kitchen, isn't it? With the Bosch Home Connect app, you can control your appliances from anywhere. Now, let's heat some oil in the other pan and start making the filling. So the oil is hot. Let's start by adding in some garlic. Goes in the onion. I feel that the onion cooks better when you add a little salt. Add in the bell peppers. Next, I'm adding in some mushrooms. Let's add some peri seasoning, some ketchup and some chili sauce. I'm going to give this a good mix. Let's add my favorite ingredient, and that is paneer. The filling is ready, the sauce is ready. It's time to assemble the enchiladas and bake it. I already have some tortillas with me. Since I'm using large tortillas, I'm going to cut these up. Let's assemble it and bake it. And we will roll this up. Similarly, I'm going to fill all the tortillas. I have a nice baking tray here. Top it up with some enchilada sauce. Finish it with some grated cheese. Bake the enchiladas in a Bosch preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes or until the cheese melts. So the enchilada has been baked. Let's get it and then let's garnish it. Like I always say, fresh ingredients can transform any dish, and Bosch's VitaFresh Technology locks in the freshness of all the fruits and veggies giving them a longer shelf life and better taste. Just like that, you can bring a piece of Mexico to your home in minutes. If you recreate this recipe, do share images with us using the hashtag #PerfectCookingWithBosch or hashtag Mrs. Femina. And as the Mexicans say, buen provecho!